Eyemakeup. Okay, so for the eyeshadows I'm going to use this SFR Hated with Love eyeshadow palette. It's amazing and it is gorgeous. So first I'm going to use this shade. It is kind of a orange, a yellow shade, so I'm going to use this shade as my transition color. I'm going to apply the shade right over here. You can definitely see these shades are very pigmented. And going to apply a little bit over here, not that much because I need pigmentation right over here. Next I'm going to use the white shade from this palette. Okay, and I'm going to apply it over here. Next I'm going to use this shade. This is something like burnt orange shade, and this is the palette from Makeup Revolution Big Love Reloaded palette. Okay, so I'm going to use this shade right over here. On my crease line. Next I'm going to use this brown color on my front eye, like over here, mixing with the yellow and going above my crease line. Now I'm going with the darker shade, like this shade. So next I'm going to cut my crease. Okay, so this is how your concealer looks like. So my concealer is very wet now, so I'm just going to tap the concealer and getting off the excess concealer on the brush. You can see there is nothing. This is the extra concealer that is applied on my eyes. So I'm just tapping it and giving it an even layer. You should never use a beauty blender over here. Okay, always use a brush. Just tap it. Okay, and then use a white shade. I'm going to use this shade. In this look, more white shade that you have, more beautiful the look will come. Okay, so next I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to use this shade, then I'm going to use the black shade. You should be very handy dandy with the shades, the pigmented shades. So first use a very little amount and then tap it. Next I'm going to use the black color. I'm going to use the black color and intensify more. Next shade I'm going to use, the light brown shade, is this one, like this shade. I'm going to tap it over here. Now I'm just going to intensify the white color more. Okay, the white shade should be intensified, okay, and it should not be less, it should be more and more, because the more white shade you will put, the more makeup will look flawless on brides, and it's a bridal makeup, okay, so you can definitely use this. Okay, okay, so I'm going to use first this shade, and I'm going to mix it with this one, these three colors. I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. Next I'm going to use this color, like this is the brown shade, it's a very deep brown color. I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. So I'm going to use this Inglot liner. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and for the Dureline I'm going to use this Miss Rose Dureline. It is very cheap and affordable, and it works really great, so highly recommend this one, because my liner is like dried out, so I just need something to revamp it, so that is why I'm going to use that eyeliner, sorry, that Dureline. Okay, so I'm just going to use this liner brush. This is the Vega lip liner brush. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to apply eyeliner with this one, and again I'm going to apply the same liner which is left over on my brush. Going to apply it on my lower lash line, and also on my waterline. And blend this eyeliner as well. Okay, so this is how your makeup looks like. I just give a very thick liner and a little bit over here, and now I'm going to smudge it again. Now I'm going to take the brown color, like very light color, and blend this shade. Okay, so first I'm going to use this shade. This is the highlighter from Glam 21, and I'm going to use the white part of this palette and going to apply it over here. I'm going to apply this shade on the white area. So I'm going to use the golden shade from this palette, is this one. Going to apply it little bit over here. Next I'm going to use this liner. This is the silver liner, a little bit on the white part, little bit to give it a more intensified shape. And next I'm going to use this eyelashes from Eyemagic and this glue. Makeup look looks like. I just love this eye makeup so much. Just look at the eye makeup, it is looking stunning. And if you want to learn more and more eye makeup, then please keep on watching, but make sure to like, subscribe and share. And please just share this video if you like the eye makeup. And till then, take care.